Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. There's just something about finding the perfect black dress vest. So I'm talking about a vest that looks like it belongs in a three-piece suit, perfect for wearing with or without a jacket. There's just something so classy about it, and I was not disappointed by this vest. It is a traditional cut 4-button dress vest. It is fully lined and beautifully made. The fabric is heavy, it's got a real nice feel to it, but it's flattering in the fact that the lines are definitely cut to fit a woman's body. It doesn't have a boxy look to it, but it's very flattering. The back is adjustable with a beautiful buckle detail, so you can pull it in or let it out if you need to have just a little more fitted look to it. Whether I'm wearing it with jeans, wearing it with a skirt, wearing it under a jacket to give me a three-piece suit look, I'm just in love with the way this vest feels, the way it looks, and the way it fits. Personally, I love the look of a vest. It's so versatile. It really can easily dress up any outfit, whether it's business or whether you're going on a date night or just any reason at all that you want to add that detail, that extra something. It's a vest for me that adds that. And I'm really in love with the quality of this one. And that is my point of view.